excited to share more of the Baby Einstein collection with your baby. Baby Einstein looks at the world through the eyes of a child and offers parents a stimulating way to interact with their little ones.
Probably the most important thing that we've done is to encourage parents to sit with their children, to interact with their children, to dance with their children.
The Baby Einstein collection is an award-winning collection of videos and DVDs, CDs, books, discovery cards, and puppets that exposes your baby to music, art, language, science, and nature in a playful, enriching way.
An apple.
That's right, it's an apple.
Together we're able to point at things on the screen and he's able to tell me what they are.
赤ちゃんのリズムですごく入りやすいのでまず落ち着きます。Le gusta mucho jugar con los colores, las formas.
When I turned the video on, he really focused because of the music coming out and the colors were so vivid.
All Baby Einstein titles feature timeless and beautiful classical music, including Baby Beethoven and Baby Mozart, with music reorchestrated in a fun, playful way that's appealing to babies. Baby Van Gogh uses art to teach color to children in fun, silly ways. Baby Newton teaches shapes by showing how they're part of our world. Baby Shakespeare introduces children to the rhythm and cadence of language through poetry. Baby Einstein Language Nursery exposes babies to the flow and sounds of different languages.
1, 2, 3.
Baby Neptune exposes your baby to the world of water, from the beach to the bath. Neighborhood Animals explores the animals you'd see walking in the park with your child. And World Animals takes you into nature, showing exotic animals in their natural environment.
What's a monkey say?
I'm expecting right now, and I'll be using it when the baby's born, as soon as he's born. Or he or she, I don't know yet.
Don't miss the opportunity to share Baby Einstein with your little ones. Look for additional Baby Einstein titles wherever baby products are sold.
New on Disney DVD.
I think something big is about to happen. 'Cause here we go.
Get ready.
Let's hurry.
For a wild adventure on land, through the air,
Go, Rocket, go.
and under the sea.
To the ocean.
Disney Little Einstein's Animal Expedition. Join the Little Einsteins
Look.
as they teach a baby duck to fly home.
If you try really hard, you can fly.
Discover amazing creatures of the ocean.
Now I know how it feels to be a fish.
Visit elephants in India and bounce across Australia with Joey the kangaroo.
Yay, Joey!
Experience the wonder.
Look. Ooh.
Travel the globe.
Awesome.
And bring your little ones along for the ride.
We did it.
Disney Little Einsteins Animal Expedition on Disney DVD.
Rated G.
For more information about our developmental products for babies and toddlers, visit babyeinstein.com. Enjoy the show.
Smile Direct Club makes it easy to go from your phone to a smile you love in as little as 4 to 6 months. Just